So we're here at Penrith Local Court today, out far western Sydney. I've just appeared on a middle range drink driving offence. The blood alcohol reading is 0.082, so it's just slipped inside the middle range category. Basically, the facts of the matter were that our client had been at his brother's birthday party. He had consumed about 6 full-strength beers over about a 4.5-hour period. He tried to count his drinks, self-assessed his sobriety. He waited about an hour after his last drink for getting into the car to take his sister home. On the way home, he somewhat got a bit lost and he performed an illegal U-turn at an intersection. Police saw this, they took up with him and pulled him over down the street, subjected him to a breath test, and the final blood alcohol reading was 0.082. So charged with middle-range drink driving offence in New South Wales. Now, our client's a forklift driver and a storeman. He's got to get up and be at work at 5 a.m. in the morning. He's got a de facto partner and they've got a 6-year-old boy. So he's been spending money, probably about $30 a day, to get to work with expensive taxis and Ubers, and then obviously to get home from work as well. So anywhere between $150 to $300 a week he's been spending on taxis since he's been off the road. And he has been off the road for the past 6 weeks since the offence occurred. So yeah, this has certainly hit him financially and caused significant financial hardship on the family. His partner does work, but usually works in the afternoons. He finishes work at about 1:30 and would usually go and pick their son up from school. So he hasn't been able to do this, and this has obviously been logistically difficult for the family over the past 6 weeks since he's been off the road. Today we were boldly asking for the court to not convict him, not record a conviction, not disqualify him, not fine him, and not place him on the mandatory alcohol interlock program. We were asking the court to put him on a conditional release order, which is basically a good behaviour bond for 2 years. And this was a big ask, especially given that it was a mid-range drink driving offence and that his traffic record was not all that good. Over the past 10 years or so, he's had a spattering of more minor traffic infringements, but about 11 years prior, he was declared a habitual traffic offender due to repeated disqualified driving offences, which are serious offences. Obviously, over time, he's grown up and his traffic record has improved, but you know, his past was there on his record. It still wasn't good, and it wasn't obviously supportive of his case today. But I just did want to stress the hardship, both financially and logistically, that being off the road had on his family, and the fact that the blood alcohol reading had just snuck into the middle range category was his saving grace. So the magistrate saw that he also did traffic offenders program, complete that course. He had some references from his partner, his mother-in-law, and a good strong letter of apology from him to the court showing his genuine remorse over the matter. So we were grateful, and our client was certainly very lucky today, because the court did accede to our request to deal with this matter by way of a conditional release order without proceeding to conviction. So he was effectively not convicted. He can commence driving straight away. He's not put on any interlock program, and no fine was forthcoming. He did, however, receive a $250 fine for the illegal U-turn that he did perform. But overall, an extremely happy and ecstatic client. He can move forward and learn from his lessons. Signing out from Penrith Courthouse today, and thanks for tuning in to I want to thank you for tuning into Boorman Lawyers today. You can catch us at any of the usual social media platforms. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you've got any questions or queries, please don't hesitate to contact us on 1300 941 900. Hey guys, thanks for tuning into this video today. I really hope it was informative and helpful for you. There's another couple of videos below that you might want to check out that may be very useful for the process that you might be going through at the moment. Please feel free to like, follow, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've always got fresh new content coming through all the time.